Hello everybody, we are on step 36 of learning HTML forms by building a registration form on freeCodeCamp.org. Submitting the form with an option selected would not send a useful value to the server. As such, each option needs to be given a value attribute, without which the text content of the option will be submitted to the server. Give the first option a value of this value, and the subsequent option elements value attributes from 1 to 4. And let's see. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that helpful, and I will see you next time.